What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Get out of my way. I am glad that y'all swung by the channel today. I've got a good one, so don't change that dial. Stay right with me. Y'all gonna see a cool tool. That's right, a cool tool. And I reached out to Andeman to get my cool tool. It's a 1224 battery charger, and it is absolutely the bomb. I'm telling you guys, it's a BC-301 model, and this thing is lightweight. You can see I can pick it up with just 2 fingers. It's got the fan, the fuse protection on the back. It's pretty neat. This thing will do lawnmowers, boats, motorcycles, camping equipment, RVs, cars, trucks, you name it. It does it all. And I am going to put this to good use. And I know you're like, Mike, wait a minute. Now, what's this sitting right here? We thought about a year ago you had already done a video for Andeman on the jump pack. And I did. I love this thing. It's been in the drawer now for at least 3 months. Let's see what kind of charge this thing has on it. 99%. And I've not even used it for several months now. So, but this is a jump starter jump pack, but it will do a lot of the features that this one will. But I'm like, man, I can't get enough of this company. I absolutely love their products. So we're going to go through this one today. If you haven't seen this video, y'all need to head on over to my channel page. Check it out right here. That's the Andeman Jump Starter Pack. Now we're going to go over the battery charger and how well this thing works. First, I should tell you that a lot of people are using these old battery chargers, and not only are they not reliable, they're a huge fire hazard that's just waiting to happen. Cool tool.
Oh my gosh, it's hotter than devil's testicles out here. What? Oh, I can't say that. Well, Satan sack then.
It's hot. It's hot. Since it's so hot, guys, I'm going to reverse the truck and pull the front end under the carport right here. The one thing you are going to need is an extension cord, or here in North Carolina, we call it a drop cord. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've ever heard it called a drop cord before. Yep. Let me get the old drop cord. To everybody else, it's extension cord. Gonna plug my extension cord in out here, guys. Why is it that these dang receptacles act like they're shocked or confused to see the extension cord coming? All right, so we want to go ahead and find a good place to sit the charger where it won't slide off, fall down in the engine, fall on the outside, scuff the paint. So I did slide the BC-301 charger over this way a little bit because they only give you a certain length on these cables, and you want to make sure that they do reach the battery terminals. So I don't have the unit plugged up yet to household power to 125 volts. It says in the instructions, go ahead and connect positive to positive, negative to negative. Good connection, just like that. Now I'm going to come over here. Got our drop cord with the confused look on its face. We're going to plug the unit in. You see it power up right there. All right. So it says that it's telling me right now that the battery is 12.3 volts, 94% charged. So my battery's in good shape. It's a Motorcraft AGM, and I am pleased with my battery, and now I am pleased with my battery charger, because not only does this battery charger charge these batteries slow or fast. Look here, you've got slow. See, work. It's actually telling you what it's doing. You can charge it fast in the off position. Gives you a readout. Also, guys, this is awesome. Let's just say it's 10 degrees out here. It's 30 degrees. It's 5 below. You've got a winter selection right here that right now it's all weather, summertime, or you can set it to winter. And we all know that things struggle to work right in the winter, especially batteries. So you can switch that to winter or all weather. We'll keep it right here. All right, now here is a really neat option, the auto off. That's something that that older battery charger didn't have that I showed you from my work. It's not going to turn off, and you risk serious damage to the battery, the charger, the vehicle, everything. You want to be sure that your trickle charger maintains and turns off when the battery is fully charged. All right, so you got the auto off, and you've also got the maintain, just like that. Okay, now this one here, it's got the smart feature or the repair feature. The smart, it tells you all about your battery, charges it up, does what it should. If you're in need of the repair, that is one of the neatest options. That will actually repair your battery if you've got a sick battery that doesn't want to hold a charge. It's the neatest thing. You can switch that to repair. I'm not going to do it right now because my battery is in no need of repair, but this is awesome. You're probably asking yourself, well, what's the difference between the fast charge and the slow charge? Don't we just need to fast charge it? Well, no. I mean, if your truck or your car or your SUV or your boat, anything needs to be slow charged, slower is actually better. Okay. Let's just say your boat. We'll do boat for example. You take your boat and you've got two trolling motor batteries, or I do. I've got two trolling motor batteries, and I've got two starter batteries. Okay, the trolling motor batteries, a day out on the lake, they go down. All right, if you're not taking the boat back out the next morning or the next afternoon or right away, then slow charge it. That's right. It charges it slower, builds it up over time, and it shuts off when it's full. But if you need that fast charge, let's just say you're in a bass tournament next morning and you're out there and it's like, man, my trolling motor's about dead. I got to charge it up by the next morning, day 2 of the tournament. Got to have it done really fast. Then fast charge. Like I said, this thing will charge 12 or 24 volt battery setups. You can fast charge it just like that. Say the car's got a weak battery and you're running late for work, put a fast charge on it, wait a few minutes, 10, 15 minutes, whatever the battery will build up to allow you to start it. Or, like I said, jump pack. This is for cars that won't start. So you can trickle charge them, you can fast charge them, or you can jump start them. So let's come out here and demonstrate how this works on the old lawnmower. All right. So got our extension cord again. Got to have a place out in your shop building to plug it up. This is the perfect tool for a lawnmower with a battery that's only cranked so many times a year, and you wind up just having to jump it off every time. It's a big hassle. This right here is going to just make your day, guys. I'm telling you. So we'll get our clips on. Red to red, black to black. Okay, and you're going to watch it before I plug this up to power. You're going to watch it. It'll come on, and that's actually just telling you what the battery is doing. So now we're going to plug our household power into the back of the BC-301, and you can come right here if the battery is sick, weak, and needing to be replaced. Maybe you can get by with the repair. Like if you've got a sulfated battery, then you hit repair and then slow charge. Watch it. It's going to go to work. It's going to do its thing, trying its best to fix this old sulfated battery. So obviously, if your battery is not sick, then what you can do is do the smart charge, maintain all weather. Turn your switch to slow. Just set it and forget it. It'll be ready to go when you're ready to cut grass. Speaking of cutting grass, so the Andeman has done its job. It's charged up the battery for the mower, ready to mow some grass, but forgot to charge my ear pods. Well, I'll just have to sing it then.
With the bar, the bang, the dang, dig, 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 said the boogie, said.
So I wanted to go over the manual really quick and show you guys that it does a ton of different type batteries. You can see them all right here. But the one battery it does not do, right here in the red, you cannot charge lithium batteries with this charger. So just food for thought right there. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to charge a lithium battery with this charger. Anyhow, it does so much more. But anyhow, check that out right there. All those type batteries, marine, motorcycle, cars, trucks, lawnmowers. I mean, it does everything you need it to do.
With the bar, the bang, the dang, dig, 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 said the boogie, sit up, jump.
So that's going to do it for the video. Wait a minute. I can't end the video in this shirt. There we go. Much better, guys. Can't finish the video without the channel shirt on. Just saying. There's the products in the back up on the toolbox. Andeman has your hookup. Be sure to check their stuff out. You will not be disappointed. I tell y'all that honestly. So with that being said, y'all head on over there. Click the links in the description below. Check them out. Why? Because this video is done.